students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to identify the numerical constants of the coefficients of the terms other than constants in the following expression. So basically, in the expression, we have two types of term. First is the constants and the other are the terms which are variable. So here, if in the first part, you can see that 5 is a constant and the another, that is minus 3 of t raised to the power 2 is variable. In the same way, in the second part, one is constant and the anothers are variable. And here in the third there is no constant term, in the fourth there is no constant term, because with the numbers, if there are variables attached in multiplication, so those terms are not constants, they are variable. So we are considering about the part first. In the part first, we have to identify the numerical coefficients of the terms other than the constant. So firstly, we have 5 minus 3 of t raised to the power 2. So the term other than constant is minus 3 t raised to the power 2, and this is term which is another than coefficient, a constant. So the numerical for this minus 3, numerical coefficient for minus 3 raised to the power t is minus 3. So this is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now let's discussing the part 2. Part 2 is 1 plus t raised to the power 2 plus t raised to the power 3. Here the term other than constant in these expressions are t plus t square plus t cube. So here we are having this three term, that is t square and t cube. So the constant for t is 1, constant for t square is also 1, and the constant for t cube is also 1. So this is the answer to the part B. Now part 3, which is x plus 2 of xy plus 3y. So here we are having this expression, x plus 2xy plus 3y. So there is no term which is other than constant. So basically there is no constant term. So we are having variable terms are x, 2 of xy and 3y. We have to find out the coefficient of this term. So for x it's 1, for 2 of xy it's 2, and for 3 of y it's 3. It's 3. So this is the answer to the part 3rd of this question. This is basically 3. Now we are considering about the part 4 here. So part 4 is that 100m plus 1000n. We have to find out the coefficient 100m plus 1000n. So the terms, there is no term which is constant. So our terms, variable terms are 100m and the 1000n. For 100m, the coefficient is 100, and the for 1000n, the coefficient is 1000. So this is the answer to the part 4th. We are considering about the part 5th, which is minus p square q square plus 7 of p q. So here in this part, this is minus of p square q square plus 7 of p q. There is no term constant, so our terms are minus p square q square and the another one is 7 of p q. So the constant for minus p square q square is minus 1 and constant for 7 of p cube is 7. So this is the answer to the part 5th of this question. Now let's discussing the part 6, which is 1.2a plus 0.8b. So we can write this as 1.2a and 1.2a and 0.8b. Look, there is no term which is constant, all are variable. So the coefficient for 1.2a is 1.2 and the coefficient for the term 0.8b is 0.8. So this is the answer to the part 6th of this question. Now we are considering about the part 7th. Part 7th is 3.14 r raised to the power 2. So we are having this term 3.14 r raised to the power 2. There is no term which is constant. So our term is 3.14 r raised to the power 2 and the constant for this term is 3.14. So this is the answer to the part 7th of this. Now the part 8 is 2 of l plus b. So we have to find out the coefficient of the terms. So here we can say that we are having this term 2 of l plus b. So 2 of l plus b from here is written as 2 of l plus 2 of b. So our terms from here are 2l and 2b. So the constant term for 2l is 2 and the constant term for 2b is 2. So this is the answer to the part 8th of this question. Now the part 9th is 0.1y and 0.01y raised to the power 2. So from here we can say that, so this is 0.1y plus 0.01 y raised to the power 2. So our terms are 0.1y and 0.01y raised to the power 2. So the coefficient for 0.1y is 0.1 and the coefficient for, sorry, it's constant. Constant for 0.1y is 0.1 and constant for 0.01y raised to the power 2 is 0.01. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.